Okay, well everybody, welcome internet. This is my new desk setup. I got a new desk the other day, and I got it all set up now, and I thought I should show you guys. So I'm going to be doing videos with my light box and all that kind of stuff. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I have my Avengers towel right there, my Nova helmet right there too, which is really cool. Yeah, my light box, my MacBook. Then I have a lot of my favorite sets. Even that Trip Transport isn't really mine. Then the Imperial Shuttle. And then the older version of the Throne Room. So, yeah. Just thought I should show you guys around my room along with this video too. Because I don't know what to do for video ideas at this moment. The Milano, bunch of my favorite minifigures too. And just some of my favorite builds. Here is the Sanctum Sanctorum with the Toys R Us giraffe. There, okay. Bunch of random stuff, that. Then skim over here. We got some newer sets from last year. Bunch of the cars for the ice race that are going to be appearing this week. And then a bunch of setups for different sets. So, yeah. Then one of my favorite sets, the Batmobile. Really good one. From the Lego Batman movie. And now we got the new Boba Fett helmet, which I think it's totally worth it. I really do like it a lot. The Thinking 501st Battle Pack completely blanked on me. Mandalorian brickheads, the Not Milano ship, the monster thing, and then my Mandalorian mock right there. Well guys, that's basically all the stuff that's in my room. Sorry for the bad lighting right now. I need to fix my bedroom light, but I'm gonna do another collection video, but it's gonna be all the stuff that's in my basement right now, because that's where a lot of my minifigures and stuff are, so that should be way bigger. And I don't have that many ideas. I've tried to do some videos, but they haven't really worked out. That's why I haven't been posting as much as I want to, because we've had basically 2 weeks off for snow days, which is awesome, which means I should have been posting more, but I haven't. So that's why. And I've been trying to do more videos, but I just don't have any ideas. So if you have any ideas that I could do, post them in the comments, I guess, if you want to. So yeah, and I am gonna try to be changing my name soon from Brick Empire, because it seems to be confusing for some people to do it, because I don't have a space in it, and there's another person with the exact same name as me. So kind of evens out to where I should probably change it to something else. So if you have any cool ideas I could do for a name, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be pretty cool. Help me out a lot. I'd probably give you a shout out too. Doesn't really mean that much, but yeah, a shout out. And yeah, I guess I will see you next time, hopefully.